aloud. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. Bun, hold, boat, fan, sunny, pot. Let's write. Here are some doing words in the story. Walking, smiley, blowing, pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Pulled, took, blew, felt, wanted, started. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. They dash to make a man take off his coat. First, the wind dashed hard. The man dashed his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun dashed shiny hard. The man dashed hot, and he dashed off his coat. Look at these pairs of words with opposite meanings. Hot, cold, big, small, strong, weak. Now write the opposites of good, tall, hard, black. Crossword fun. Look at the pictures and complete the words in the puzzles. Team time. Act out the play, The Wind and the Sun, in class. Make paper marks for the sun and the wind using colored chart paper. Everybody can take turns to be the wind, the sun, or the man. Now write 2 sentences about one of the marks. Let's read and answer. A big wind. A big wind is blowing. Look, the leaves are flying. The wind can blow trees down. It can blow houses down. My house is old. Will it come down? Are these sentences right or wrong? The wind can blow down a house. The wind can blow down a field. The wind can blow down a child. The wind can blow down a tree. The wind can blow down a river. Da thering anzu shogusum drushaira khalana ti lobsen satudha. Anjela anzu lobse sawa ko chura. Jeza say aloud ra. Da thanda badon anzu lobsen da unit sum drusar ta ti sawadra. Jeza anzu kharigan shukyare chodi vocabulary research era the grammar da anzu thepshin badla shukyaro. Somebody kare pronunciation ra. Da pronunciation ana dadang ding anzu loro. The gelakin zu nge video ko kyoti themachi peje da rachamatuna themani sum ta hajura hondiki pronunciation taqtash le dechira. Da ding anzu kana ganzam chawena dine anzu sirupsuya da dikalore. Tie da loya denzo di jela liro. On the cheta sketch motion lasho say aloud. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. Say shows ra. Paritse gore a rhyming word. Rhyming word lang anzu thembadwa trunk and karsa. Trunk sunk le inganzu tamada dodo den la rhyming leirwa. Indi khanet se gore from the story gangi the wind and the sun ligi dumjwa. Lungda nimale diko dumde nano se shows. For each of these words die sugere chitu di tandatsi dinzo gire chitula anzu ye rhymi re se shows. Ra rhymi na kododo tamatla. Bun, hold, boat, fan, sunny, pot. Da anzu tawa ina ra bun gi ka anzu lamsa samta na sun chaidwa. Hold, told, ra boat, coat, fan, can, sunny, and sunny na karena. Sunny la anzu dinal se gorwa. da do che rang dina sunny funny yesam skogila sa kaza what a funny day le jo ndi kan ti ken sawala le di da do cha sa sunny funny pot hot ra chaw cha la le kaza di dumna ya pot la na zama de ra sunny la na ko kinsi chador nima chö da dem badla sunny tari pe sunny re sha le rang so tari sun re sha le mara tari nima re sha le mara tari nima sha de sha le adla sunny che fan na di kaza lungkor che board lana chuzin chinju che hord lana juba ban nana bani le dang ban nana ya doktor roz la kuisar manzo puman zo na chat yabla damgi da honde dilla ani ro ban ro la yusam sin tinden da le dine let's write ra chi shows tang zo gi raimi le da ko chu sa raimi word le de ko thama gi da ro ra ban fun hold told board coat ra here are some doing words in the story. Doing words the grammar na doing words years in the story. Walking, smiling, blowing, pulling. Walking and the smiling na gimushimba, blowing and no jadeba. Then pulling and attention. Samala kardu ing toa chishimbate. Find 3 more doing words in the story. Tande ma akasa sumang de cheshos konjele tande sumang ra sumawa cheshos chatsi ra kane dumdene. That end dia karina akthana zogore ing ne zogyo ra and then write them here and dela cheshos. Tanzu dela kare kazang zu dumdena la chatsi kira kare tana ra. Dia ing yugyo ra. IG mene kera gyashana dogorwa chazi imbajla because ing mene ina walking rosa swa dine try led chazi ro kera trying la ne dogorwa trying dine blowing chaswa dine chazi kardu meche get led getting lana dora getting t double t gap ing getting che ni che sumzu sa tande go hena anso shimba chasi khadu have led chasi so chwa having led chwa dinashi take led taking la chwa e the sub ing chena taking led ko chasi ma piu dila ko chwa this is sumdi can say na then choose them shows the right word see digwati from the box the edit tripshit na yesha binna ani khajore padon conscious ra padon is conscious put lana tempera tensaba truk lana lensaba blue lana lungya chaba fat lana chur chaba ra so feel the felt wanted lana deba yoba the deba na kishi started to go to chaba. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. Nima shilas lungda nima ni and dinduj sores dinduj